Yeah, we're doing another video. And today, we are mowing the grass. It's my little lawnmower. It is focus, camera, focus. And the make is MD Man. And I do have tires for it. I'll go get them. Have them. So I'm going to put these on here. Put this one on here on the front. Pop her on here. Oh, I'm making a video. So pop on the tire. There's one tire on. Now I'll put on the other one. Pretty good grip for a tie. Pop her on here now so that it goes on. And yes, we are ready to mow the lawn. So we have our lawnmower set up along here and we have the camera. So let's go. I'll see you guys now when I get back home. I'll be back in a minute, guys. We're after running out of gas. So we got the gas. Here we go. So that'll be all of the grass cutting. Now give me a minute. So we're back. And we have a strimer here. The strap did come with it, but we lost it. So we just stretch her out here. Or down. So you can see here now that it's ready to go. And here's my rev things. Yeah, so we have the strimmer going here now. Let's go to do some streaming. So yeah, that's all I'll be showing you in this video. Peace out. Oh, forgot. I think there's a big machine for our lawns. And it's red. And there's white letters on it saying subscribe. So subscribe. And hit that like button and turn on those notifications. Bing! Okay guys, peace out. And comment.